So in today's class, we are going to study about the sum of min terms and product of max terms. So in the yesterday's class, we studied about what is meant by a min term and what is meant by a max term. So min terms means that is product terms, that is the variables which are combined using AND gate are known as the min terms. That is product min terms are also known as AND terms or product terms or min terms. So in min terms, so 0 means x dash and 1 means x. Whereas in max term means your variables are combined using OR gate. So max terms is also known as sum terms or it is known as the um, max terms or terms. So in max terms, 1 represents x dash and 0 represents x. So if you are combining using AND gate, that product term is known as min terms. If you are combining using OR gate, that sum terms is known as max terms. So any Boolean function can be represented in terms of sum of min terms or it can be represented using product of max terms. Sum of min terms can also be known as the sum of products. So I already said min term is also known as products. So sum of min terms can also be represented as sum of products. So in question paper, they may ask you about sum of min terms or in short, they may be asking you about SOP. So SOP means sum of products. That is, you have to understand that as a sum of min terms. Similarly, for product of max term, they also may represent as POS. POS means product of sum terms. So SOP means sum of min terms and POS means product of max terms. So if any Boolean function can be represented in terms of SOP and POS. So in the previous class itself, we saw, so in if you are in a truth table, if one variables if one variables are combined means, then you can write in terms of sum of min terms. And if a function, any function has 0 in that means, so zeros terms if you combine, you will get in terms of product of max terms. So sum of min terms can be represented as, that is f is equal to sum of min terms can be represented as summation. So it can be either 0, 1, 2 like that. So product of max term is, you can write in terms of pi, and whatever terms missing in the min terms will be in the max terms. So you can write this as 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So sum of min terms will be 0, 1 and 2. You can write the expression in for 0, 1 and 2, and product of max terms will be missing, whatever missing in the min terms, it will be written as product of max terms. So in any truth, you can write from the Boolean expression, you can write the tabulation form. So while writing the tabulation form, you have to write the combinations for all the variables, and for min terms you have to put 1 and for max terms you have to put 0. So that is what you can obtain the truth table. From the truth table also you can obtain the Boolean function. So whichever term has 1 can be written as a sum of min terms, and wherever you have zeros means that term you can be written as a product of max terms. So once combining 1 will give you the sum of min terms, and zeros, combining zeros will give you the product of max terms. So is it clear up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to represent any Boolean function in terms of sum of min terms and product of max terms if simplified expression is given. So actually in the previous class, um, so in previous class, any expression will be given, and you will be obtaining the simplified form. So simplified form is also known as the standard form. So you can obtain if any expression is given using theorems and laws, you may be able to minimize that expression and you will be expressing it in simplified form, or it is known as a standard form. So, so this is one type. And if simplified form is given, so simplified form is given means then you can write it in the expanded form, that is in sum of product or product of sum form. So SOP and POS are known as canonical form. So in some question paper also they may ask you to represent Boolean function in canonical form. So canonical form means, so either it may be a sum of minterms or it can be a product of maxterms. So for example, take f is equal to a plus b dash into c. So actually this expression in is in simplified form. So that is each simplified form na. So that is in this first term you have only a one variable. So actually in this function consists of three variables, that is a, b and c. So min terms means, so you should have a term which should consist of all the three terms in either in original form or in complement form. Aதாவது either it can be ABC or AB dash C dash or A dash BC. So any form, any min terms, but it should have all the variables. So that is actually known as min term. So it can be A B dash C or A dash B C. So in this min term you have all the three variable. In this min term all the three variable. So actually you have to express in terms of sum of min terms means, so min terms should have all the variable and you have to sum all this thing. But actually this is a simplified form or standard form. So they will give a simplified form and they ask you to represent in either sum of products form, that is sum of min terms, or they may ask you to represent in terms of product of max terms or POS form. So is it clear? So we will see how to express from simplified form to a sum of min terms. Is it clear or not what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So take this example. So f is equal to a plus b dash c. So here you are going to represent this in terms of SOP, that is sum of min terms. So first take this term. So first term A. So in this, what are all the variable is missing? B and C is missing. So you have to add B and C into that. So how can you add means, that is you have a one law, that is x plus x dash is equal to 1. So you have you studied a law, x plus x dash is equal to 1. So you are going to use that law. So what you have to do? So in A term, so what are all the term missing? B and C. So first you include B. So how can you include B? So A should be multiplied by B plus B dash, because B plus B dash will give you 1 and A into 1 will give you the same A. So no change in it. So you have to include B plus B dash. So what will you get? So AB plus AB dash. So now A is converted into AB and AB dash. So now what is the term missing now? C is missing. So what will you have to do? You have to multiply AB with C plus C dash and AB dash with C plus C dash. So now you will get ABC plus ABC dash plus AB dash C plus AB dash C dash. So is it clear? So one single term A is now written as ABC, ABC dash, AB dash C and AB dash C dash. Is it clear? So A is now written in terms of sum of min terms. So is it clear? So how now A is written as sum of minterms? Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so next term, what is the next term? B dash C. So in B dash C, what else is missing? A is missing. So B dash C can be multiplied by A plus A dash. So this will become A B dash C plus A dash B dash C. So you combine all this thing. So இது எல்லாமே எழுதுங்க. இதில் டூப்ளிகேட் டேர்ம்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா எலிமினேட் பண்ணிடுங்க. So ABC, so F is equal to ABC. So this term I have written. Then ABC dash plus ABC dash. So this term I have written. Then AB dash C. So you see whether all the terms are repeated or not. So AB dash. So third term will be AB dash C. Here also you have another term AB dash C. So one term you cancel it. You write only once because x plus x is equal to x. So you write plus AB dash C. So this also I have written. Then A B dash C dash plus A B dash C dash. So this also I have written. And the next thing is A dash B dash C. A dash B dash C. So this is also I have written. So only one duplicate term. So you eliminate that. So you get ABC plus ABC dash plus AB dash C plus A B dash C dash plus A dash B dash C. So now tell me what actually this is in terms of sum of min terms. So you write in terms of min terms designation. So F is equal to, so what is ABC? ABC is
M7, ma'am.
M7,
M7.
M7 plus what is ABC dash?
M6, ma'am.
M6 because it is 110, M6. Then what is AB dash C? That is
Four.
M5.
101. So
M5,
M5,
ma'am.
M5. Then A B dash C dash, that is
M4, ma'am.
M4, that
M4,
is
ma'am.
4. M4 plus A dash B dash
M1, ma'am.
M1.
1, ma'am.
So, so you can write F as, so an order write 1, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. So F is equal to A plus B dash C is written using sum of minterms. So this is the expression in terms of sum of minterms, and this is the short form you are going to write the Boolean function in terms of sum of minterms. So is it clear? So any simplified form can be represented in terms of sum of minterms, or in some question paper they will be using SOP form, that is sum of products. So what you have to do means, so you have to take the first term and whichever variable is missing in that you have to multiply with. So if B is missing means you have to multiply with B plus B dash, because B plus B dash is equal to 1, multiplying with variable gives the same variable, so no change in it. So you have to multiply with B plus B dash and you expand it. If any other variable is still missing means you have to then multiply with other variable, that is c plus c dash, and you have to multiply this. So one single term will be expanded to sum of min terms. So all the min terms means all the terms should have the all the variable. So if you suppose in expression you have four variable a b c d means, then each min term should have all the variables either in original form or in complement form. அதாவது ஏபிசிடி இருக்குன்னா ஏபிசிடி ஒன்னு ஏபிசிடின்னு இருக்கணும், இல்ல டி டேஷ் அந்த மாதிரி காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கணும். பட் all the four variables in present in one min term, that is one term should have all the variable. So அது மாதிரிக்கு expand பண்ணிக்கிட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா so you will get the final. So அதே மாதிரி சில இதுல டூப்ளிகேட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஏன் டூப்ளிகேட்ஸ் இருக்கும்னா அந்த டூப்ளிகேட் எல்லாம் கம்பைன் பண்ணி தான் நீ சிம்பிளிஃபைட் ஃபார்ம் அப்டைன் பண்ண. So you have to eliminate the duplicates because x plus x will give you x alone. So ஒரு டேர்ம் மட்டும் எழுதிக்கிட்டா போதும். ஸோ இப்போ சப்போஸ் மூணு டேர்ம் இருக்கு, ஒரே வேரியபிள் மூணு டேர்ம் இருக்குன்னா ஒரு டைம் எழுதுனா போதும். So eliminate the duplicates. So you will get the expression in terms of sum of min terms. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is if you are going to express this in terms of product of max terms, இதே expression product of max termsல obtain பண்ணுன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா that is min terms இருக்குங்க. Max term actually f is equal to pi. What are all the missing term?
0,
0, 2, 3.
2, 3.
0, 2
2,
and
3.
3. So 0, 2, 3 are missing term. So right, if this is actually in short form, so you're going to write this in max terms. So 0 oda max term என்ன?
A plus B plus C.
So a plus b plus c into.
A, A plus B dash plus C.
So a plus b dash plus c, and then
A plus B dash plus C dash.
a plus b dash plus c dash.
C dash.
So this is the same expression in terms of product of max terms. So actually பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த sum வந்து min termsல கேட்காம max terms straight-ஆ f is equal to a plus b dash c கொடுத்துட்டு டைரக்டா ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ்ல கேட்டா நீ சம் ஆஃப் மின் டேர்ம்ஸ் போட்டு ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் போடணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் அனதர் மெத்தட். ஸோ டைரக்ட்லி டு அப்டைன் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஸோ the same problem you take. So you same problem, f is equal to a plus b dash c. So the same problem, now they are asking you to represent in terms of product of max terms. So product of max terms obtain பண்ண சொன்னாங்க அப்படின்னா, so here you have to use a distributive law. So you have studied x plus yz is equal to, so actually இது ஒரு single term இருக்கு, இங்க ரெண்டு term இருக்கு அப்படின்னா what is your distributive law? X plus
X
y
plus
Plus Y into
into
X plus
x
to
plus
X
z.
plus Z.
So this is the law you are going to use in the product of max term expansion. So that is single term you have plus two terms you have means, so you have to split it into x plus y into x plus z. So this is the law you are going to use for product of max term. So you take this sum. How how can how can you expand means a plus b dash
A
c
plus
can be,
B dash.
so a plus
A
b dash into
A
a plus
plus
c
C.
dash
plus
into a plus c.
C.
So a plus c. So you have to use distributive law in order to separate the terms. So now you have separated the terms a plus b dash into a plus c. But what is max term here? Max term missing here. In each term, in max term also, you have to have all the variable. So if in the first term எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா a plus b dashல c is missing. So max terms means so it should all the variables should be present in single term. So here what is missing? C is missing. So how you will add c means, so you studied a law that is a plus b dash. So you know that
plus
c
C dash
into
C.
c dash. C into C dash. What is the value of C into C dash?
0.
1.
0. C
0.
0,
into
ma'am.
C dash is 0. So if you add A plus B dash plus 0, you get the A plus B dash. Here, are you clear? So in sum of min terms, you have to add C plus C dash. In product of max terms, you have to add C into C dash, because C into C dash will give you 0, and anything plus 0 will give you the same variable. So A plus B dash is not changed now. Is it clear? So you take the next variable A plus C. What is missing? So A
B
plus
B dash
B dash is missing. B into B dash into C.
plus C.
Sorry, plus C. Plus C. So now actually you should not have any two variables in product form in max terms. Is it clear? So again you have to use the distributive law to separate the terms. So now A plus B dash you take it as a single term, that is X you consider as. So A plus B dash you consider as X. So C dash you consider as X plus YZ. So now how will you separate this?
A plus B dash plus
A
C
A
A
plus
plus B dash plus C,
B
plus
dash plus
C
and
C.
another
A
term will be A
A
plus
A
B
plus
dash
plus
B.
B
B dash
dash
plus
plus C
C
dash.
dash. So is it clear? So A plus B dash plus C into A plus B dash in plus C dash. So next you separate the next term. So A
A plus C
plus,
plus B.
A plus C
actually
plus B in
you have to write it in order, because ABC, suppose இப்ப ACB ன்னு எழுதிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா 001 போடும்போது உங்களுக்கு வேரியபிள் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. So always write it in the same
A
order,
plus
A
B.
B C. So A plus B plus C
B plus C.
into A
A
plus
A
plus B
plus
dash
B
plus
dash
B
C.
plus
dash
C.
plus C.
C. Is it clear? So always look into that. Min termsலயும் சரி மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்லயும் சரி ஆர்டர்ல இருக்கான்னு பாத்துக்கோங்க. இப்ப சப்போஸ் ஆர்டர்ல இல்லாம ஏசிபி டேஷ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து ஆக்சுவலி நீங்க மறந்து போய் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, 101 போடுங்க. ஆக்சுவலி பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது 110. ஸோ மின் டேர்ம்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. ஸோ யூ லுக் இன் டு தட் த வேரியபிள்ஸ் ஆர் இன் ஆர்டர். மின் டேர்ம்ஸ்லயும் சரி மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ்லயும் சரி ஏபிசினா அந்த ஆர்டர்ல தான் இருக்கணும், XYZனா அந்த ஆர்டர்ல தான் இருக்கணும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் ஃபோர் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஹியர். ஸோ இதுல ஒரு டேர்ம் வந்து ஆக்சுவலி என்ன இருக்கு, டூப்ளிகேட் டேர்ம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ யூ ரிமூவ் தட் டேர்ம் and you get the term as A plus B dash plus C, A plus B dash plus C dash, A plus B plus C. So what is the max terms now? So actually Aங்கிறது என்ன, 0 0 1 0.
0
What is
1
0 1 0?
0 2
M2.
M2. And what is A plus B dash plus
M3 ma'am.
0 1 1
M3
M3.
M3
so actually this is 0 1 1 M3,
0 0 0 M0.
and this will be 0
M0
0
M0
0
ma'am.
M0. So you get the max terms as 0 comma 2 comma 3. So is it clear? So you get the same value here, 0 2 3. So same expression and same value. So here also you get the same value. So if any simplified expression is given means sum of minterms கேட்டாங்கன்னா you multiply the left out variable with b plus b dash or c plus c dash, expand this, you get the sum of minterms. So then if they ask you to perform product of max terms negata, use distributive law to separate the max terms, and missing variable you have to add with this, that is plus c dash or plus b dash or plus a dash. So then you separate using distributive law, you get in terms of product of max terms. Is it clear? ஸோ இல்ல உனக்கு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா தெரியல, இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ்டர்ம்ஸ் போட தெரியல அப்படின்னா சம் ஆஃப் மின்டர்ம்ஸ் போட்டு அதுக்கு மிஸ்ஸிங் டேர்ம்லாம் போட்டு அந்த மாதிரி போடலாம். பட் அது வந்து ஆக்சுவலி ப்ராப்பர் வே கிடையாது. உனக்கு தெரியலங்கிற பட்சத்துல அந்த மாதிரி போடு. இல்ல ஒரே சம்லயே சம் ஆஃப் மின்டர்ம்ஸும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ்டர்ம்ஸும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது ஒன்னு இதுல மின்டர்ம்ஸ் சம் ஆஃப் மின்டர்ம்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அப்படின்னா மிஸ்ஸிங் டேர்ம் வச்சு ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ்டர்ம்ஸை போட்டு அதோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை எழுதிடலாம். ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து ரெண்டு இதுவா போடணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஸோ இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஸோ இன் டூ வே யூ கேன் அப்டைன். ஸோ சம் ஆஃப் மின் டேர்ம்ஸ்ல இருந்தும் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் அப்டைன் பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ்ல இருந்தும் சம் ஆஃப் மின் டேர்ம்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். இஸ் இட் கிளியர் ஹவு டு அப்டைன் sum of min terms or product of max terms using any simplified function?
Yes, ma'am.
So you take another example. So f is equal to xy plus x dash z. So you are going to obtain product of max terms. So you are going to obtain product of max terms expression for this boolean simplified boolean function. So product of max terms means, so first you have to use distributive law to distribute the variables in terms of max terms. So distributive law போது so actually first initial இதை வந்து சிங்கிள் டேர்மா கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோ. இதை வச்சு இதை வந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லா யூஸ் பண்ணு. ஸோ now you consider this as xy அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோ, சிங்கிள் டேர்மா அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோ. You split this as x dash then xy plus z. Is it clear the first step? ஸோ இங்க ஆக்சுவலி இங்கேயும் ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒரு டேர்ம் சிங்கிள் டேர்மா வச்சுக்கோ, இன்னொரு டேர்மை ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஒய் அப்படியே வச்சிருக்கேன். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஒய் பிளஸ் எக்ஸ் டேஷ் ஒரு டேர்மாவும் எக்ஸ் ஒய் பிளஸ் ஜெட் ஒரு டேர்மாவும் எழுதியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அகெயின் யூ யூஸ் distributive law to separate this term. So now you can write this as x plus x dash into y plus x dash, then x plus z, then y plus z. Is it clear? So இப்போ எல்லாமே single term மாறிடுச்சா? Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So product of max terms நாலே you use distributive law to separate the function. So இப்போ actually பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த நாலு term இருக்கு, அதுல x plus x dash ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன?
1, ma'am.
1. So you can leave that term. So அந்த term விட்டுடலாம். இப்போ மூணு term இருக்கு, y plus x dash இருக்கு, x plus z இருக்கு, y plus z இருக்கு. So இப்போ இதுல நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? Actually இந்த termல எது மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கு?
Z, ma'am.
Z. So you have to add plus z z dash. அதே மாதிரி இதுல என்ன மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கு? Plus y y dash. இதுல என்ன மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கு? Plus x x dash. So you take a paper and you add what are all the missing terms and you tell the f in terms of max terms. So do it now. So I want, நான் பாதி சம் போட்டுட்டேன், இந்த சம்ல பாதி போட்டிருக்கேன், மிச்ச பாதி நீ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி எனக்கு இப்ப ஆன்சர் சொல்லு. So that is you take the expression f is equal to y plus x dash into x plus z into y plus z. ஸோ அதுல என்னென்னலாம் மிஸ்ஸிங் டேர்ம் இருக்கோ அதை ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் லால எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணு, திரும்பவும் எதெல்லாம் டூப்ளிகேட் டேர்ம்ஸோ அதெல்லாம் எலிமினேட் பண்ணு, கடைசியா எனக்கு என்ன மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ்ங்கிறத சொல்லு. I want everybody to do this sum and we will randomly ask anyone.
Ma'am, M0, M2,
Wait,
M4,
wait, wait. We will randomly call. We will check the answer afterwards. Okay? We'll random. Ma'am, Aruna ma'am, யாராவது கால் அவுட் பண்றீங்களா?
Aditi is there? Yes, Aditi. Yes, Aditi. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, Aditi.
Ajit, SP, are you there? Ajit?
So ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கம்மான். தப்பா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. நீங்க இருக்கிறீங்க, நீங்க லிசன் பண்றீங்களேன்னு தெரிஞ்சாலே எங்களுக்கு போதும். சோ தப்பா இருக்குமோ
கூப்பிட்டா யாருமே ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன்றீங்க ஏமா?
Akshay Gokul?
no one is here. Huh? What for we are teaching? No.
Anirudh?
Okay, listen. Those who are here, unmute yourself and give your attendance. Those who are present, unmute yourself and give your attendance.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Sujita present, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Mohan present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
okay, listen.
Present, ma'am.
So many members are present, right? Answer the question. Anyone can unmute and tell the answer.
M0, M2, M2, M4, M5.
Yeah. So the product terms are 0, 2, and 4 and 5. So tell me in terms of expression.
M4, M5.
Dash plus Y.
Plus Y plus Z.
0 will be X dash.
Ma'am, 0 X plus Y plus dash plus Y plus
X
Z,
dash
ma'am.
plus Y.
X plus Y plus Z. And what M2?
Yeah,
Y
X plus
dash
Y
plus
dash
Z.
plus Z.
X plus Y dash plus Z. And what M4?
M4.
X dash plus Y.
X
Y
dash
plus
plus
Z.
Y plus Z.
Y plus Z.
And the next thing M5. What is M5?
M5
X dash
X
plus
dash
Y plus
plus
Z
Y plus
dash.
Z dash.
So this is the expression in terms of product of Maxterms. So is it clear how to write any Boolean function in terms of sum of minterms and product of Maxterms?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but actually, most of the students are not listening. I think why they are not answering when we point out and tell. So, if it even if it is wrong, also no problem for us. We want to know whether they are listening, whether they are they are able to understand or not. That's why we are pointing, because in the class we know That is, we can go around and see what you are writing in the notebook or what you are following or what you are not following. We can see. But in online mode, in that is randomly we have to call and check whether they are listening, whether they are listening or not. We have to know.
Of the mountain ஆனமுடி and மெகாந்தரை
ஆனைமுடி மகந்தரை டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னது
இது fraction.
பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம்.
Mute yourself, please. So is it clear? So you take another sum, that is homework sum, and you have to tell me the answer in the next class. So you have, in this sum is, you have to simplify this. So AB into C plus BD the whole complement plus AB the whole complement into CD. So you take the sum. I want the simplified expression. So everybody should work it out, and tomorrow you have to tell the answer. So actually first eliminate this, because you have a whole complement. So De Morgan's law use பண்ணி இதை eliminate பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்து De Morgan's law use பண்ணி இதை eliminate பண்ணுங்க. Then multiply and use any law or theorem, and you finally you tell me the simplified expression. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think 5 more minutes is left out. So you work it out now itself and tell me the answer. So 5 more minutes are there. So work it out and tell me the answer. So no problem if it is wrong also. I just want you to try. Work it out now.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, here four variables
Zero.
are there, so we have to use 4 bits equations, ma'am.
Yeah, actually this is 4 variable. So you no need to write in sum of minterm or sum of product of max term. I want to simplify this expression. So simplify this expression means I want minimum number of variables. Simplify is different from expanding. That is sum of minterms or product of max terms. Is it clear? So you don't
Yes, ma'am.
expand this, you simplify this. That is, you have to write the expression in terms of minimum number of variables. So you
Okay.
use De Morgan's law and you multiply that, and wherever possible you apply the law and cancel that terms, and you express it in terms of minimum number of variables. So simplify is different from SOP and POS.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, don't leave the class until the staff instructs you. It's not 11:15 yet.
Has anyone completed?
Ma'am, the answer is CD.
Yeah, very good. Others, are you all getting the answer?
No.
Shakti Sri. Yeah, you got CD. Okay, okay. So actually you have to take CD common. You get AB plus A dash plus B dash. So A dash plus B dash can be written using de Broglie law AB bar. So AB plus AB bar will give you CD. So correct. So others got the answer?
No, ma'am.
So you try at home and tomorrow we'll see. So try to get the answer CD. So and if you are stuck at any point, so tomorrow you tell me, we'll continue that. Okay.